For more anatomy related videos, please subscribe to my channel, Learn with Dr. Tanya Hashik.
Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about superior vena cava. It is a large vein which carries deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, that is the head, upper limbs, thorax, and it drains into the right atrium. So, superior vena cava, it is formed by the union of the right and the left brachiocephalic vein. So, this is the right brachiocephalic vein and this is the left brachiocephalic vein. It is seen behind the sternum. So, I have drawn the dotted line so that you can understand that you can see these two veins behind the sternum. So, it is formed behind the sternum. When you say the exact location of the formation of the superior vena cava, you can say that it is formed at the lower border of the right first costal cartilage near to the sternal end. So that is the exact location of the formation of the superior vena cava. And the brachiocephalic vein, it is formed by the union of the internal jugular vein and also the subclavian vein behind the sternoclavicular joint. So this is the sternum and this is the clavicle, and behind the sternoclavicular joint, this internal jugular vein and the subclavian vein joins to form the brachiocephalic vein. So there is right and left brachiocephalic vein. So the right brachiocephalic vein, it is formed by the joining of the right internal jugular vein and the right subclavian vein behind the right sternoclavicular joint, and the left internal jugular vein and the left subclavian vein unite to form the left brachiocephalic vein behind the left sternoclavicular joint. So now we will discuss the course of the superior vena cava. It is a 7 cm length vessel and it begins at the lower border of the first right costal cartilage near to the sternal end, and it pierces the pericardium opposite to the second costal cartilage, and it terminates by opening to the right atrium at the level of the third costal cartilage. So that is, it begins at the level of the lower border of the first costal cartilage. It pierces the pericardium at the level of second costal cartilage and it terminates by opening into the right atrium at the level of third costal cartilage. So now we will discuss the relations of superior vena cava. Anteriorly, it is related to the chest wall, internal thoracic vessels, and anterior margin of the right lung and also pleura, and on the lower part the vessel, it is covered by the pericardium. So this is the pericardium on the lower part. The vessel, it is covered by the pericardium. And next is the posterior relations. Posteriorly, it is related to the trachea and also the right vagus. In this figure, you cannot see that. So posteriorly, the superior vena cava, it is related to trachea and also the right vagus and also the root of right lungs. And medially, it is related to the ascending aorta and also the brachiocephalic artery. So this is the superior vena cava. So medially, it is related to the ascending aorta and also the brachiocephalic artery. So this is the branch of the aorta, that is the brachiocephalic artery. So these are the two medial relations, and laterally it is related to the right phrenic nerve and also right pleura and also right lungs. So laterally right pleura, right lungs and also right phrenic nerve. So now we will discuss about the tributaries of the superior vena cava. One of the main tributary is the azygos vein. It opens into the superior vena cava at the level of the second costal cartilage. So this is the azygos vein. It opens to the superior vena cava at the level of the second costal cartilage just before it pierces the pericardium. And some of the mediastinal veins and also pericardial veins also drains into the superior vena cava. So main tributary is the azygous vein, and also some of the mediastinal and also pericardial veins also opens into the superior vena cava. So superior vena cava, it is a 7 centimeter long vessels and it carries the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body. So this is the end of today's video.
This is the end of today's video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.